Okay, so welcome back. Today, I'm going to make a mount for this wind generator. I'm going to be building a mount so that I can put this on my homemade camper. And so I've got this rack back here, and this is a homemade rack made out of just scrap pieces of steel. I'm going to be cutting that up, and then I'm going to make a frame, and then I'm going to weld all that together, make sure that this fits nicely inside of it, and then bolt it to the tongue of my trailer. So hope you enjoy the video. Move this out of the way. So this is a piece of angle on top right here, and this is what I'm going to be primarily using. All right, got my angle grinder. Very important, always wear safety glasses. Speaking from someone who has had metal drilled out of their eye, it's always important. All right, so let's see what we got. So I think I need a rack that looks like it's going to be about 18 inches across by, I'm going to say 11 inches deep, just because this does have kind of a belly to it. This out of the way. So what I'll be doing now is welding that kind of like this. That's the plan. when that happens. You can see that guy blowing, and it's stuck, and we're going to get it off there. All right, back to it. Grab your rod. Try again. I hate that. Waste the rod, that's what it does. All right. So I'm going to just go ahead and stop for now. I want to make sure that the generator sits inside there. That it is visible. Yes, awesome. That was an accident. That sits nicely below the controls. Cool. All right. So now, a little warm. All right, so last night I went ahead and finished up the welding on this. It's pretty much to this point anyways. I did close up the ends a little bit. I'm kind of between mounting it this way or this way. I kind of like keeping it inside the triangle, so that's probably going to be how this would be mounted. Go ahead and set the generator in here so we can get a look at it. So that would go just like that. And I would put a strap from here over the top through here onto this. And the rack will actually be mounted by way of fasteners. I probably will drill and tap this brace right here and bolt that down and attach that. So there it is. I'll get it painted up and just in time for the camping trip this weekend. So I think that'll be a good spot for it. All right, so that concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Going to camping on the porch this weekend and with the DIY camper group, and I think it's going to be an absolute blast. Look forward to seeing some of our old friends there. If you enjoy camper stuff, definitely subscribe. I've got a lot of content around building campers, mountain biking, things like that. Thank you for watching.